Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. This one. All right. Let's keep this card here, Taurus. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Taurus, is safe travel. Yes, some of you could be planning a small trip here or there, but this card actually means, Taurus, moving from one phase of your life to another and knowing that the angels have your back. I mean, look at this card. There's a little baby on this angel's shoulders, right? And they're crossing a river, but the baby's totally dry, not even a toe is getting wet here. So please know that whatever phase of life you are ending or moving into, it is divinely protected and all your angels are supporting this transition for you. Okay? So don't worry about it. Let's put this card here and see why this beautiful card is here for all my Taurus friends. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love and support that you've sent to the channel. I'm very blessed, very grateful. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments, your likes. Makes my day too. Thank you. And if you're new here, of course, we welcome you to join us, join our Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just going to be a small 9-card spread, and we'll do some dialogue messages as well to see where your love life is at. I will leave a few links to the other readings if you're interested, and more are coming. With that said, yes, I have the Two of Wands in reverse, bottom of my deck. So that's a beautiful card to get in reverse. That means you're no longer at crossroads, no longer confused. Now it's time to make that decision, right? So let's see what decisions are being made here, Taurus. The first card I have here for you, Taurus, is the High Priestess in reverse, the Emperor in reverse, 5 of Cups upright, 3 of Pentacles, sorry, 3 of Cups, 3 of what am I saying? 3 of Cups and the 5 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles in reverse, Knight of Cups, Justice, and the Queen of Cups. All right, so some secrets have been revealed about this very controlling person in your life. There's a lot of regret, upset, sorrow, maybe regarding a third-party situation here, Taurus. Center of my deck, I do have the 5 of Pentacles. That means either you're leaving somebody out in the cold, Taurus, or maybe that's the way you're feeling right now. But because of this, whatever pain there is here, you're actually dropping something and moving towards new love because you feel that's going to be justice, right? So let's take some dialogue message cards here and see what's going on, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Taurus and their person, spirit. Taurus and their person. Thank you. Let's do a few more from another deck, Taurus. One more. Thank you. And I've just got a new deck, so we'll take a few more from here as well. Thank you. All right, so My family doesn't understand our connection, the first card, okay? My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. Second card says, my mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I have made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. Next card. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. So you would know who's saying this to who, Taurus? Your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Like I did suspect in the last readings, this could be a third party situation. So these are mixed messages that I'm getting. Some seem to be from the previous person and some coming from the new person. I want to restore your faith in me, because I feel so much passion for you. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. I'm under so much stress. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. So this is like somebody is waiting and somebody is leaving. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. So this could be towards the older person, and I do see some new fresh love coming into your life as well here. Let's see what's going on. In the last reading, I remember I had this card upright twice, which was somebody trying to make a decision or a decision between two paths or two people. But this time, it's in reverse. So, High Priestess in reverse, Spirit. What's this High Priestess? High Priestess in reverse. Here it is again, the Two of Wands. So some secrets are coming out about somebody's maybe unethical behavior or mischievous behavior, because I do see the Emperor in reverse right after that, which is a very, very controlling person who likes to be like a dictator. And I have somebody who's trying to now heal from this person. There's a lot of regret, a lot of sadness as to how things haven't worked out, but this is a time, I think, for healing and taking charge of your life. Yes, even though the Queen of Cups has come out twice in reverse, Taurus, if this is you, you're feeling a little emotionally overwhelmed at the moment, right? The love is drained out maybe from a past connection. You don't feel it anymore, or you're not willing to invest in it anymore. I think your heart and mind lies somewhere else now. Maybe you're approaching new love, or you're looking for new love, because I have this card again twice as well. The Knight of Cups is here twice. Now this is that romantic, beautiful new love who makes your heart sing, right? And I don't know why he's here. Let's continue and see what's going to happen. So, Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. Yeah, I think somebody here wants to reunite with someone. This could be a new lover, somebody that you're friends with. Maybe you have a lot of, like a soul connect with this person. You can spend a lot of time talking to them or sharing with them. This person makes you happy. But there is the Five of Pentacles on the upright. Yes, I think, Taurus, you're kind of making up your mind to pull back your love from the Emperor in reverse. And even though you're sad about it, I don't see you feeling very happy. There's still a lot of sadness, a lot of regret. But you feel it's time now to maybe go out there and meet somebody new, or somebody you have known who seems to be a better fit for you, a good friend. Um, Five of Pentacles. I was trying to clarify the Five of Pentacles, but it just showed up again, right? So there is a lot of feeling of that scare of being left out and abandoned and feeling deprived or feeling in lack. But don't worry about it, because center of my spread, I did see the Wheel of Fortune as well, right on top of the Five of Pentacles. So this is going to be a thing of the past, Taurus. Don't worry about it. This has come out twice, right? Feeling, oh my God, I'll be left by myself. I'll have lack. I'll feel abandoned. I'll feel lost. And this came, and then suddenly came the Wheel of Fortune, which says, hey, don't you worry. Luck is on your side. But you have to make up your mind. You can't keep juggling forever, Taurus. You have to drop the ball sometime. Choose one. Right? So yes, this is a person who's been thinking for a long time as to what is the correct path. What should I give up? What should I go towards? But this is in reverse now. So Spirit is saying, yes, the Wheel of Fortune will favor you. You will not have that lack. We are there for this travel of yours. We're going to carry you towards your next phase. But we are standing by for instructions, the angels are saying. You have to make that decision. The decision has to come from you, from your soul. Two of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, you see? And this, when I said that, you have to walk away. You have to walk away from something. You can't stay in this in-between place forever. And listen, this person's head is bent. They're leaving these 8 cups, and they may have been a time where you thought 8 is better than none, right? And that's the feeling of lack. But look at this person walking towards the river, and the minute you walk away, and here's the same river again, the angel catches you, lifts you up, and carries you forward. So who's this Knight of Cups, Spirit? Who's this Knight of Cups coming towards Taurus? Of course, no, please no, Taurus. The energies could be vice versa, right? This could be somebody coming towards you if... Okay, so the choice here is between this very sweet, loving person and the King of Swords. The King of Swords is in reverse, which means this is a very harsh individual, very rude individual, is basically emotionless. Now look at the comparison between these two. This person full of emotion and full of love, this person heartless. So now you have to choose. Justice has to be done to you, for you, by you first. You have to decide what do you need? What do you want in your life? So, Justice, Spirit. What's this Justice card? Yes, it's going to require a lot of strength. Taurus, it's going to require a lot of strength. To bring this justice back to your life, you have to have a lot of strength to make up that decision to choose one. Again, this is a card of confusion in the upright, when you have options which you can't choose, but this has also come out in reverse, which Spirit is saying, have this strength, Taurus, to choose one, the one that makes your heart sing. Okay? Right now, I don't think you're seeing things very clearly. You're not listening to your intuition. Because why? Because your emotions are very clouded right now. You're emotionally very, very, very overwhelmed and not knowing which way to go. Yes, you're not being able to make any wise decisions. You have to spend a little bit more time being the hermit in the upright. Listen to your voice within, your heart within, to what your soul says. But right now the hermit is in reverse. So maybe there's too much noise around you. Maybe this the Emperor in reverse and this King of Swords in reverse character is kind of creating a bit of havoc, which is depleting you. This looks like a card of somebody being depleted. The big cup of love this Queen has is upside down. So where is the love? Where is the water? So when you're in this kind of vibration, you can't make the wise decisions for yourself. So Queen of Cups, Spirit. Yes, there's a lot of restless energy around you, Taurus. Maybe you are realizing you're not emotionally happy, but I think this is what Spirit's advice for you is for this reading, is you have to now become the High Priestess. You have to listen to your inner voice. Instead of talking too much to other people who can use or misguide you, the people send you, sometimes friends or even relatives, sometimes if you open your heart too much to them, they may not have your best interest at heart. This is the time when you have to tap into your own spirituality, tap into what makes your heart, your soul feel good. Okay, so the decision has to be yours, and once you make this decision, Taurus, you will be supported. Anything else for my Taurus gang spirit? Taurus, you have to end a third party situation. Okay, if this is a relationship you've had for a long time, which is no longer serving you, I think it's time to choose what you want. Okay, so it's going to be different for all of you out there. I can't over advise right now, but that's what's coming for you right now, Taurus. Take care, love and light, and I'll see you now next Thursday. Namaste.